All right, let's begin by setting up Blender for use with N8n. Go to Edit Preferences, click on Add-ons, then Install. Navigate to where you've saved the add-on file, select it, and click Install from Disk. Check the box to enable the Blender MCP Add-on. Close the Preferences window. From the right sidebar, drag to reveal to the Blender MCP submenu. Switch to the tab, click on the Connect to MCP Server button to start the server. Delete all elements in Blender scene to start fresh. Let's look at the original Blender MCP repository and take note of the tool names within the source. We will need this. This 3D model is based on my blog post, which have details on what we are doing. It explains how to create a conversation-based 3D model of a condo in Blender. To enable Blender integration, execute blender-bridge-server.py. Note the IP address shown. This server bridges between Blender and N8n. Now we move on to N8n configuration. Note the IP addresses. This must match the IP address of the previous step. Note the content type and body content type. It should be application/JSON. Time to start the magic. Let me paste the first prompt. Success. Now let's review the results on Blender. Success ground plane added. Let's move to the next step. Paste the next prompt and press Enter. Blender generated the tower slabs. Let's add more to make the condo tower. Add a few more prompts to make the tower more interesting. Let's add the last step of the tower. See, there are railing created. Add the final touch. The tower has been duplicated using Array modifier. Now let's add on the top of the tower the penthouse floor. Penthouse floor at the top is ready. Add last elements on the last floor. Done. Top of the condo almost there. Almost done. Last architectural element for completeness. See, the vertical fins around the building are created. These are materials to beautify. Let's change the material properties and color manually. Let's add the remaining materials for the building. Now let's manually update the concrete slab. Here lets the show final results. Let's add trees material. Almost to the end. Let's add some more trees. See, there is trees added in by Blender MCP. Let's add ambient light. This will help with the scene a little bit. To wrap up the scene, press Render to finalize. This is for a more stylized render. Almost to the end. All done. That's it. From raw Blender scene to full condominium model, powered by AI in N8n. I hope this showed you the potential of conversational 3D creation. If you enjoyed this demo, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting explorations of AI and 3D.